Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax return as a student. First, assess your income to see if you meet the filing threshold, which is often around $12,950 for single filers. Next, gather essential documents like your W-2 from employers and Form 1098-T from your educational institution. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate filing process. When filing, accurately report all taxable income you received, including any wages from jobs or taxable portions of scholarships and grants. Then, explore potential deductions that can lower your taxable income. For instance, you might deduct up to $2,500 in student loan interest paid. Keeping detailed records of these items is crucial for a correct return. To further reduce your tax liability, look into valuable education credits. The American Opportunity Tax Credit can provide up to $2,500 for your first 4 years of higher education. Alternatively, the Lifetime Learning Credit helps with ongoing education expenses. Decide whether to file electronically for faster processing or submit a paper return. Finally, avoid common pitfalls by thoroughly reviewing your completed tax return for any errors before submission. Be sure to file by the deadline, typically April 15th, to prevent late penalties and interest charges. Remember, many free resources are available, such as volunteer income tax assistance programs or various online tax software options, to help you file accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.